Paycor is an HR and payroll platform designed to bring payroll, employee management, recruiting, scheduling, and workforce tools into one system. The main advantage is that it can centralize a lot of everyday HR tasks. Businesses can manage employee information, payroll, track the time, and handle other workforce processes without jumping between multiple platforms. The interface can take some time to learn, especially if you're using its more advanced HR workforce features. But that's also why a quick overview only tells you so much. Clicking through a few screenshots is one thing, actually using the system is where the fun administrative maze begins. For how to use, the best approach is to try the Paycourse online tour. Just click the start online tour here and you will have to sign up, which gives you a hands-on look at the platform, or request a demo or the watch the demo now for a more guided walkthrough of the features relevant to your business. So Paycor is a strong all-in-one option for businesses that want payroll and HR tools under one roof. The feature set is broad, but the best way to know if it fits your workflow is to explore the online tour or request a personalized demo rather than relying on a review alone.